Right now I'm in DC, Washington, DC, about to see one of my Wade brothers. You feel me? Um, it's been a minute since we linked up. We actually just linked up in November, and guy took a rider to New York. I stopped and saw him on the way back, and now my man moving today, so I came here to help him move. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show y'all this Red by Kiss kit that he gave me that came with a brush, a do-rag, a case, and all of that. You feel me? We also gonna check out his waves, see how he's spinning, you know what I'm saying? And he's been keeping it up. So we gonna get into the vlog right after the intro.
Wave on 'em, wave on 'em, wave on 'em, wave, 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 nigga, wave on 'em. I said, wave on 'em, wave on 'em, wave, yo, wave on 'em. It's a nigga bigger, who do you?
Back up here in DC, nigga.
What it do?
You still spinning, nigga?
Nah, I ain't spinning.
You ain't spinning right now?
I ain't doing shit right now.
See, you got the truck opened up and shit.
I ain't put no do-rag on last night. I let my hair get a little dry, but this shit still laid down. You feel me? Like, I'm gonna brush tonight. I'm gonna get my shit
they
all
all
back up.
gone.
But you know, I just cut my shit like a week ago.
Trying to get that angle. You can see him, but the lighting sucks. You see him. Y'all see them joints. My man just sprayed it down with, what was that, the Oregon oil joint? What did it say? Damn, the lighting sucks. It ain't focusing on it, but Oregon oil of Morocco. Yo, I got a Wave video that I'm gonna do. So if you watching this video, y'all gonna know what one of the videos I'm thinking about doing. But I've been dealing with itchy fucking waves lately. For like the last month. And I didn't know why. And for the life of me, I was like, what the fuck did I start doing different? Why the hell is my head itching? Nigga, I be at work, I'll be scratching my head.
Got some shit in
Yo,
your head.
and I'll be scared because in my mind, I'm like, I know I'm getting old and shit. And I'm like, I hope I ain't scratching my shit out of my head. And it's like niggas go bald. You know what I'm saying? But my father still got all his hair. You know what I'm saying? And that nigga like 50 something.
That's how you eat.
And I can't really see him all, but I see him. Y'all see him. Spinning, you got a fork over there. You gotta get that brush. You gotta get that brush pattern right over there. Come down from the crown and listen. On this part right here, when you brushing this shit, go right here. Hold up. Go right here and just come down onto the ear. You know what I'm saying? Like the whole joint. Put the middle of the brush. Tilt that joint like this. No, tilt. We talk on this side right there. All right, and just go boom, and you knock that whole side in like that. And that side, all of it'll come in. Cause what you're doing right now is you're splitting it. You brush in the front, my bad. You brush in the front and then you brush in the back.
Okay.
And you splitting it, so you fucking up your waves right there. You understand what I'm saying?
I see you.
So if you come straight down the way I'm telling you, that whole shit gonna form in a wave pattern. And you already brushed in the back straight down, so boom, it's just gonna connect in there. You feel me? Mm-hmm. You see that shit, right? Mm-hmm. Cash the waiver, baby. We do this shit for real. Getting this dropping keys on these motherfuckers, right?
Yes, sir.
Angles, baby. Angles. I know the lighting sucks, y'all. I'm sorry. I got one bulb and one blue bulb up in there, and it's not a white light, so fuck. I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on this quality. It worked?
Maybe 15 minutes ago.
I forgot what floor you on.
Third.
Third floor. On to the top. Was this one?
Yeah.
Amber, what's good?
My fast food burgers, but I eat the burger. What's going
What's going on, man?
That's John.
All right,
My man.
Cash.
Kyrie, Cash.
Hey.
What's going on? How are you?
All right.
Nice seeing you.
Same here.
I heard you went through some travel. You used to be here.
Yeah, I left late.
And stuff?
Yeah.
Dang.
And the traffic was crazy out there.
Yeah, I believe it.
I'm like, why the hell so many people out here on a Sunday?
Anybody trying to get around?
Yo.
The only thing that's left is this big shit right here that we gotta put out. All the little small shit that you see left, I'm gonna take care of. That's
Gotta stay ragged up. Throw the hood on. Waves getting. You can see the waves through the do-rag, son. Nigga, you can see my waves through the fucking do-rag, nigga. Yeah, face with the waves on it.
He trying to be on your level now. He don't want waves no more. He want dreads.
Yeah, I'm trying to get dreads,
This is what
man.
you want? Show, this is what you want? You
I
want
see
work-
his shit long as
you want
fuck.
work your game up to this?
It's gonna take years to get to that. What you got, like 7 years?
Nah, longer. Like
For real?
12, yeah.
Damn.
Nigga doing this shit when he was 4, nigga.
Sick.
He said 4.
All right, so we all riding in New York?
YouTube shit?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's good. Taking a tour around the damn storage spot. This shit crazy, yo.
Johnny,
Yo!
fuck you at? Motherfuckers living in here, drinking beers and shit.
Nigga, what made you cut your waves off, man?
Dog, my hair was growing out, first of all. My shit grew out.
Why you just ain't smooth it down?
I don't know, son. I was doing some shit.
It was too much work. You got tired of brushing?
Nah, not even. I got busy and then I was like, on my Wolfman shit. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna just let that shit grow out. Just start from scratch. It'd be like that sometimes though. You feel me?
Yeah, I know, nigga. I scout every year.
Yeah.
Every year I scout.
But-
Like, right before the summer,
Yeah,
too.
and it was closer to the beginning of the new year and shit like that. So I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna scout and come back in the new year fresh.
This nigga got us in here in the warehouse, don't know what the fuck, where this motherfucking
Hell yeah.
storage unit is. The fuck? Probably was high as shit when you came here the first time. Nah, wasn't it? You probably high as shit now.
Shit, customer service probably ain't gonna be no goddamn help. But they probably don't even know what the hell this facility look like. Yeah, so we can't find the fucking storage. We can't find that joint, you feel me? So in the meantime, your boy gonna smoke, you know what I'm saying? And I get back at y'all when we find the storage spot. Yeah. After about an hour searching through this motherfucker,
Yo, we found it.
I found it.
Nigga, we found it. Fuck out of here.
Look at this nigga.
Nigga, we found it, nigga.
This nigga.
Fuck out of here.
I found that shit, nigga. Oh man.
Nigga, right around the corner from us.
Had to use some common sense, nigga.
Nigga, you using common sense?
Nigga, you was ready to give up, nigga.
Nah.
You was ready to give up.
When we gonna do this shit? Spring break?
Tell you the motherfucking rave, my nigga.
Saying, yo, we gonna install this shit on my Ultima, my nigga. Fuck what you
Motherfucking
heard.
rave.
Don't need those lights.
Yeah.
It's better with the other lights off. Turn them shits off. Watch. Boom. Yo,
Motherfucking rave.
this shit's lit, my nigga. I ain't gonna
I
lie.
know
to
some shit a vibe, nigga. You get a bitch go on a date in this, nigga.
you. Nigga.
Shit. Nigga, pull up to the club and some shit like this, nigga. With the shit booming, sounding like your Altima. Sounding like your Altima, nigga, with some rims on this motherfucker. Tat it out like this.
Yeah, you
It's a
already
vibe,
know.
nigga. It's a mini limo, nigga. Throw a bitch in the back seat, nigga. Get popping, nigga. She gonna let nigga pop a bottle in this bitch. Pop a bottle in this bitch.
You
Bitch, that
already
bitch
know.
on your lap, nigga. Like, oh my
Saying
god.
it up. Do say it up, my nigga.
Nigga, what?
You already know.
I'm telling you.
Mobs, yo, I'm fucking with this shit. I'm fucking with this shit, bro.
Yeah, shit.